Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT for homework. So if you want help with assignments, research, math problems, essay, or studying for exams, just follow along. First, open the ChatGPT app on your phone. After that, sign in to your account and start a new chat. Now type your homework question or paste the assignment instruction into the chat. The more details you provide, the better the response will be. You can ask ChatGPT to explain difficult concepts, solve problems, and summarize articles, or it can also help you brainstorm ideas for your projects. And if you're working on math or science questions, you can ask ChatGPT to show the steps so you can understand how the answer was reached. You can also upload images of worksheets, homework questions if the feature is available on your device. For essays and reports, ChatGPT can help you create outlines, improve grammar, and organize your ideas. Just make sure to review the information and put it in your own words when submitting the paper. Another useful feature is asking follow-up questions. If you don't understand an answer, simply ask ChatGPT to explain it in a simple way. So that was how to use ChatGPT for homework in 2026. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.